Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Outlook for work, travel, or global meetings, you know how frustrating it can be when your calendar shows the wrong time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Outlook time zone in just a few clicks, so your meetings always line up, no matter where you are in the world. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your Outlook email and password, and you'll land on your inbox dashboard. Easy enough. Now that you're signed in, look up to the top right corner of your screen again and click the settings gear icon. From the side menu that appears, scroll down and select Calendar. This is where Outlook keeps all your date and time preferences. Inside the calendar settings, look for the section labeled Time Zones. You'll see a drop-down menu that lists every available time zone. All you need to do is choose the one that matches your current location. For example, if you've just moved from New York to London, simply switch it to UTC +00 Dublin, Edinburgh, Lisbon, London. The best part? Outlook saves your choice automatically. There's no need to hit save or refresh the page. Once you select your preferred time zone, all your calendar events and meeting times will instantly adjust to match it. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Outlook time zone. From now on, every event, reminder, and meeting you schedule will reflect your correct local time. If you travel or move again, just repeat these quick steps. It only takes a minute. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my next tech tutorials. See you in the next one.